Performance. Good morning, everyone. As a doctor who works closely with adults concerned about strength and healthy aging, I want to begin with a statement that may challenge what you've been told for years. Performance. Bone broth is not the muscle-saving miracle many believe it is. If you are worried about muscle loss, weakness, or sarcopenia, it is time to look beyond trends and focus on what actually works according to medical science. Performance. One of the most persistent and damaging misconceptions in senior health is the belief that sarcopenia is simply an unavoidable consequence of aging. As a doctor, I want to challenge that assumption immediately. Performance. Because it quietly robs people of hope and delays action, here is a critical hook to understand muscles do not disappear because birthdays pass. Performance. They weaken because the body stops receiving the precise biological signals required to maintain them. Aging changes how those signals are received, but it does not eliminate the muscle's ability to respond. Performance. Sarcopenia develops when the balance between muscle breakdown and muscle repair shifts in the wrong direction. In younger adults, muscle tissue responds easily to everyday movement and ordinary meals. With advancing age, performance. However, muscle cells become less sensitive to these same stimuli. This reduced sensitivity is often mistaken for irreversible decline, when in reality it is a signaling problem. The muscle is still capable of rebuilding. Performance, but the message it receives is too weak, too infrequent, or incomplete. When that happens repeatedly over months and years, muscle loss becomes noticeable. A powerful hook many people do not realize is that muscle tissue is metabolically active well into old age. Even in the 70s and 80s, muscles retain the machinery needed to grow and repair. Performance. What changes is the threshold required to activate that machinery. Without adequate signals from nutrition and movement, the body defaults to conservation mode, slowly breaking down muscle to meet energy and metabolic demands. Performance. This process happens quietly without pain, which is why it often goes unnoticed until strength and stability are already compromised. From a clinical perspective, performance. Missing muscle building signals affect far more than physical appearance. Muscle tissue plays a central role in glucose control, inflammation regulation, and hormone balance. When muscle mass declines, blood sugar becomes harder to regulate, recovery from illness slows, and fatigue increases. These changes are frequently blamed on aging itself. Performance, yet they are closely tied to progressive muscle loss driven by inadequate signaling rather than irreversible biological failure. Another important hook is that inactivity and undernutrition amplify each other. Performance. As muscles weaken, people naturally move less. Reduced movement further weakens muscle signaling pathways, accelerating sarcopenia. At the same time, appetite often declines with age. Performance, leading to meals that are filling but nutritionally insufficient to stimulate muscle repair. This creates a vicious cycle in which the body receives repeated confirmation that muscle tissue is no longer needed. Performance, even though daily function depends on it. Medical research consistently shows that when proper signals are restored, aging muscles respond. High-quality protein intake, especially sources rich in essential amino acids, performance, combined with even modest resistance or weight-bearing activity, can reawaken muscle-building pathways. Performance. I have seen patients who believed their weakness was permanent regain measurable strength and confidence once their bodies were given the correct instructions. Perhaps the most important message is this: performance. Sarcopenia is not a passive process that simply happens to people. It is an adaptive response to the information the body receives every day. When the signals say this muscle is needed, the body preserves it. Performance. When the signals are weak or absent, the body lets it go. Understanding this shifts the conversation from fear of aging to control through informed action, and that shift alone can change the trajectory of health, mobility, performance, and independence later in life. Many people turn to bone broth with the belief that is a powerful solution for muscle loss. But from a medical and nutritional standpoint, performance, this belief does not align with how muscle tissue actually functions. Here is an important hook to understand: early muscles are rebuilt with specific building blocks, not warm liquids or general nutrients. Performance. Bone broth may have a place for hydration or comfort, but when it comes to stimulating muscle growth in older adults, it falls critically short of what the body requires. Performance. Muscle protein synthesis depends on the availability of essential amino acids, particularly leucine, which acts as the trigger that initiates the rebuilding process. Bone broth contains only small amounts of protein. Performance, and more importantly, it is deficient in leucine. This means that even if bone broth is consumed regularly, it does not provide the biochemical signal necessary to activate muscle repair pathways. Without that signal, performance, muscles remain in a state of gradual breakdown, regardless of how nourishing the food may seem. A key hook that surprises many patients is that collagen-based proteins, which make up most of the protein in bone broth, performance, are incomplete from a muscle building perspective. Collagen lacks sufficient quantities of several essential amino acids required for muscle repair. While collagen can support skin, connective tissue, and joint comfort, performance, but does not effectively contribute to muscle mass maintenance. Relying on bone broth for muscle health is similar to trying to build a house without enough bricks. The structure simply cannot be maintained. Performance. Another important consideration is protein density. Older adults often eat smaller portions due to reduced appetite or digestive sensitivity. In this context, every bite matters. Performance. Bone broth provides very little protein per serving, meaning large volumes would be required to reach even modest protein targets. This is impractical and often impossible for seniors. Performance. When meals are built around low-protein foods, muscle tissue is gradually deprived of the raw materials needed for repair, accelerating sarcopenia over time. From a clinical perspective, performance. The misconception around bone broth can delay effective intervention. Patients may believe they are doing the right thing for their muscles while continuing to lose strength and stability. Performance. This false sense of security is particularly dangerous because muscle loss is silent at first. By the time weakness becomes obvious, significant muscle mass may already be gone, making recovery more challenging. Performance. Another hook worth emphasizing is that muscles affects much more than strength. Insufficient muscle mass compromises balance, increases fall risk, slows metabolism, performance, and reduces the body's ability to recover from illness or injury. When the diet lacks adequate high-quality protein, the body adapts by breaking down muscle tissue to meet essential needs. Performance. Bone broth does not prevent this process because it does not meet the body's metabolic requirements for muscle preservation. Medical evidence consistently supports the use of complete, high-quality protein sources to stimulate muscle protein synthesis in older adults. Foods that provide adequate leucine and essential amino acids send a clear signal to the body that muscle tissue is still needed. Bone broth, performance, despite its popularity, does not deliver this message. Understanding this distinction allows individuals to make informed dietary choices based on physiology rather than trends, performance, and to focus on nutrition strategies that genuinely support strength, resilience, and functional health as they age. When addressing muscle loss in older adults, performance. One of the most critical concepts to understand is that not all protein works the same way in the aging body. Here is a hook that often changes how people view nutrition. Muscles do not grow simply because protein is eaten. Performance, they grow because a specific amino acid gives them permission to rebuild. That amino acid is leucine, and its role becomes increasingly important as we age. Performance. Greek yogurt stands out medically because it delivers leucine in a form and concentration that aging muscles can recognize and respond to. Leucine functions as a metabolic trigger rather than just a building block. Inside muscle cells, it activates a key signaling pathway responsible for initiating muscle protein synthesis. In younger individuals, this pathway is easily stimulated by many foods. After the age of 60, however, performance, muscle cells develop what is known as anabolic resistance, meaning they require a stronger and clearer signal to start rebuilding. Greek yogurt provides that signal efficiently, performance, which is why it consistently appears in clinical nutrition research related to sarcopenia prevention. Another important hook is bioavailability. Even when seniors consume protein, their bodies may not fully digest or absorb it due to changes in stomach acid, enzyme production, or gut health. Greek yogurt undergoes fermentation, which partially breaks down proteins and makes amino acids easier to absorb. Performance. This means leucine from Greek yogurt enters the bloodstream more effectively, allowing muscle tissue to access it quickly and use it as intended. In contrast, performance. Heavier protein sources may pass through the digestive system without delivering the same metabolic benefit. Greek yogurt also provides an optimal protein to calorie ratio, performance, which is particularly important for older adults with reduced appetite. Many seniors struggle to eat large meals, making it difficult to reach protein targets. Performance. Greek yogurt delivers a high concentration of protein in a relatively small serving, allowing muscles to receive sufficient leucine without overwhelming the digestive system. Performance. This efficiency makes it suitable for daily and consistent use, which is essential for long-term muscle preservation. From a clinical standpoint, leucine-rich foods influence more than muscle size. They improve muscle quality, performance, which refers to strength, endurance, and responsiveness. Muscles that receive adequate leucine contract more effectively, respond faster to balance corrections, and recover better after activity. These effects directly translate into improved mobility, reduced fatigue, and lower risk of falls. Performance. Patients often report feeling steadier and more confident within weeks of improving leucine intake through foods like Greek yogurt. Performance. Another often overlooked benefit is the hormonal and metabolic support provided by high-quality protein. Adequate leucine intake helps regulate insulin signaling, which plays a role in muscle preservation. Performance. Poor insulin sensitivity accelerates muscle breakdown, especially in older adults. Greek yogurt, when chosen without added sugars, supports stable blood glucose levels. Performance, creating an internal environment that favors muscle maintenance rather than loss. What makes Greek yogurt particularly valuable is that it aligns with the biology of aging rather than working against it. Performance. It does not rely on excessive quantities, extreme diets, or supplementation. Instead, it provides a precise nutritional signal that aging muscles still recognize. When that signal is delivered consistently, performance, the body adapts by preserving muscle tissue, supporting strength, balance, and resilience. Understanding leucine's role shifts nutrition from guesswork to targeted therapy, performance, allowing older adults to actively influence their muscle health through informed, practical food choices. One of the most overlooked factors in senior nutrition is not how much protein is consumed, performance, but how much of it the body can actually use. Here is a critical hook that often changes the conversation in my clinic. If protein is not properly digested and absorbed, it does not matter how healthy it looks on the plate. Performance. As we age, the digestive system undergoes natural changes that reduce stomach acid enzyme production and gut efficiency, making many traditional protein sources harder to break down and utilize. From a medical perspective, performance. This digestive shift is one of the main reasons older adults struggle to maintain muscle, even when they believe they are eating well. Large portions of meat, tough fibers, or heavily processed protein foods may cause bloating, discomfort, or slow digestion. When this happens, amino acids are absorbed slowly or incompletely, weakening the muscle building signal. The result is a mismatch between intake and benefit. Performance, where muscles remain undernourished despite adequate calories. Fermented dairy proteins, such as those found in Greek yogurt, offer a distinct physiological advantage. Performance. The fermentation process partially breaks down proteins into smaller peptides and free amino acids before they are consumed. This pre-digestion reduces the workload on the stomach and intestines performance, allowing the body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. For older adults with sensitive digestion, this can be the difference between protein that supports muscle and protein that simply passes through the system. Another important hook is speed of absorption. Aging muscles benefit from a timely delivery of amino acids, especially after periods of fasting such as overnight sleep. Performance. Fermented dairy proteins are absorbed more quickly than many solid protein sources, allowing amino acids to reach muscle tissue when they are most needed. This rapid availability enhances muscle protein synthesis and reduces the window during which muscle breakdown dominates. Digestive comfort also plays a major role in consistency. Performance. Many seniors avoid high-protein foods because they associate them with heaviness or discomfort. Greek yogurt is generally well tolerated, even among individuals with mild lactose sensitivity. Performance. Due to the reduction of lactose during fermentation, when a food feels easy to eat and does not cause digestive distress, it is more likely to become a daily habit, and consistency is essential for long-term muscle maintenance. Performance. Improved absorption has downstream benefits beyond muscle. Efficient protein digestion supports immune function, tissue repair, and enzyme production. When digestion is impaired, performance, the body may divert energy toward managing gastrointestinal stress rather than rebuilding muscle. By choosing easily digestible protein sources, performance. Older adults reduce this metabolic burden and allow the body to focus on strength and repair. Another often underestimated factor is appetite regulation. Performance. Fermented dairy proteins help stabilize blood sugar and promote satiety without heaviness. This prevents erratic eating patterns that can lead to missed protein opportunities later in the day. Performance. Stable appetite and energy levels create a favorable environment for regular movement, which further enhances muscle signaling and physical function. Thus, perhaps the most compelling clinical insight is that digestion is not just a comfort issue, it is a gatekeeper of effectiveness. Aging muscles are still capable of responding performance, but only if the nutrients reach them in usable form. Fermented dairy proteins bridge this gap by aligning with the realities of the aging digestive system. When protein is easy to digest, efficiently absorbed, and consistently consumed, it transforms nutrition from a theoretical recommendation into a practical, reliable tool for preserving strength, mobility, and resilience in later life. Performance. When discussing muscle preservation in later life, it is essential to look beyond strength alone and understand how muscle function directly protects balance, mobility, and personal independence. Performance. A powerful hook that often resonates with patients is this: most loss of independence does not begin with a disease, it begins with weakened muscles. From a medical perspective, adequate high-quality protein intake plays a central role in preserving the muscle performance required for safe movement and daily function. Muscles are responsible for stabilizing joints, controlling posture, performance, and reacting quickly to changes in position. As protein intake becomes insufficient, muscle fibers shrink and lose their ability to contract efficiently. This decline affects reaction time and coordination performance, making simple movements such as turning, stepping off a curb, or rising from a chair more difficult. These subtle changes often precede noticeable weakness and significantly increase the risk of falls, performance, which are among the leading causes of injury and disability in older adults. Another important hook is that muscle quality matters as much as muscle size. Performance. Even modest muscle mass can provide strong functional support if the muscle fibers are healthy and responsive. Performance. High-quality protein supports repair of muscle fibers and the neuromuscular connections that allow muscles to respond quickly to balance challenges. Performance. Seniors who meet their protein needs often demonstrate improved gait speed, stronger grip strength, and better postural control, all of which are reliable predictors of long-term mobility and independence. Performance. Falls are not isolated events, they are life-altering medical incidents. From a doctor's perspective, a single fall can trigger a cascade of problems, including fractures, hospitalization, prolonged bed rest, and accelerated muscle loss. Once this cycle begins, recovery becomes increasingly difficult. Adequate protein intake helps maintain the muscular foundation that prevents falls from occurring in the first place, performance, which is far more effective than treating injuries after they happen. Protein also plays a critical role in recovery and resilience. Even with good prevention, older adults may experience periods of illness, minor injury, or reduced activity. When protein intake is insufficient, these interruptions can lead to rapid muscle wasting and prolonged weakness. In contrast, performance. Individuals with adequate protein reserves recover strength more quickly and are less likely to lose functional capacity during short periods of inactivity. This resilience is essential for maintaining independence over time. Performance. From a metabolic and neurological standpoint, muscle health influences balance through blood sugar regulation and nerve function. Strong muscles improve insulin sensitivity. Performance, reducing inflammation that can impair nerve signaling. Poor nerve function in the legs and feet increases instability and the likelihood of missteps. By supporting muscle through adequate protein, performance, the body maintains better communication between the brain and muscles, allowing smoother and safer movement. Performance, perhaps the most compelling clinical reality, is that independence is built on everyday movements repeated thousands of times. Walking confidently, carrying groceries, climbing stairs, performance. And standing up without assistance all depend on functional muscle strength. Adequate high-quality protein supports the muscle systems that make these activities possible. Performance. When older adults understand that protein intake is not merely a dietary concern but a safeguard for independence, nutrition becomes an essential part of maintaining dignity, confidence, and control over daily life as they age.